Hey mate, my name's Brendan Black. I'm from Aquaculture. I've been flying for a good 12 years now. We are gonna go to work in this. Well, there's not many offices that have got windows like this. This property here is 10,000 acres. We're running about 1,400 head here at the moment, predominantly cows and calves with backgrounders. I started out as a young fella in the agricultural industry, and I decided there wasn't enough money in my bank account, so I went mining for a few years, but then quickly realised that I had to get back to the agricultural industry, obviously for the lifestyle, and it's not just the day-to-day grind of mining. This day and age, there's myself and a manager will muster pretty much a whole place without any help of horseback. When I first started, we'd go to work, 6 or 7 of us on horses, ride all day until you had a numb ass, basically. Slowly over my lifetime, it's gotten less and less ringers in the saddle and more in a helicopter and a bloke on a motorbike to shut a gate. In the agricultural industry, it's an endless opportunity in what work aspect you can do. You can start off as a ringer, as I did, and go to a corporate manager, let alone a helicopter pilot or a machinery operator. It's endless opportunity what you can do.